11th, 2021. I kind of feel like this is kind of like a spoof on what's I got going on. So whatever and whatever. There's an autograph book, and if you listen to what it says on Me TV,
autographs are a thing of the past?
Yeah, so who's in your book so far?
Just me.
Oh, yeah, sure, I'll sign that. Yeah, me too.
Great! Is this the coolest day ever? Actually, the coolest day ever was maybe like the Super Soul Jam at Bonnaroo in 2012 with Questlove and D'Angelo.
Yeah.
I have no idea what that means.
Yeah. Oh, there she goes. Oh, look at that. Well, she's gone. Yep. Well, the next cartoon takes place in
That's
a fire station
Toony,
where Ham and
Toony.
are tasked with babysitting and the fire alarm. Uncle Beans, the best.
Do you guys actually sign this
We'll
stuff?
sign it. We'll sign it.
Okay.
All right. Were you? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that definitely has like my undertone on that one. Now, this is part of Warner Brothers, which not only is it's not in Technicolor, it's in black and white, but it's also, it's speaking about black and white, in black and white, and there's no Technicolor at all. But there is a 5 reference with a half an egg, and there's also boot references, B-O-O-T. Which, from my understanding at this point, since I have on my Rapoggle, which is my globe, I have one really sexy Italian leg boot, and then I've got 2... like, that's my La Femme Nikita boot. And then I've got 2, like, ugly, awkward, oversized, clunky, chunky boots. And so that's kind of like, did you put that boot on your head when you were trying to make a decision? Because you really need, like, the La Femme Nikita nice-looking boot. There's only one. And then there's 2 of the other kinds that are really... not the best ideas. And however that translates in contents. This is just quantum mirror work. Uncle Beans. There used to be something referenced as a bean counter. So, Uncle Beans, please take care of Ham and X have gone shopping Lizzie. Is that Dizzy Lizzie? Because that's what it feels like in the 20th century. There's only one fire station hat, Chief. Yet the kiddos, they fight over it, and then, look, oh my God, he tried on a boot. Why would you put a boot on your head? And it doesn't look like the right whatever. Just saying. There's no heel to it. I know, like, that looks in my mirror platform as a 2, but it's actually a 5, and it's a partial egg. Because how do you explain 2 twin-looking things that are this black and white format? But if you're speaking generationally, I'm an 8, but it's a butterfly 7-8 with another, which produces the 5. So the 5 is easy. It's 7 could be a masculine symbol of masculinity. 8 could be a masculinity symbol of femininity. So it would become confusing. So there's one of these that has no symbolic mention, but that's because I came through the hatch first, and then number 5 came through the hatch after my appearance. I am the last female out of the hatch, and then Alexander James was third out of my hatch, and Anthony 2012 was fourth, or the last one out of my hatch, is the way that for the last female and 4 males. I don't know, when the hose just keeps going and going, it looks like a hot mess. I don't know what kind of fire you're putting out over here with the hose all twisted like that, but here we are. Now this is interesting. It says fireman's ball. The firemen have a ball. I'm going to throw you the ball. Is it my ball? Is it your ball? I don't know how to answer any of these questions in quantifiable mirrors. But it does say October on the sign, and it says 33. Look at that. There's a checkerboard, a pennant that says Pyrene. Anything else of significance in this? We've been doing this at this for a while now in some areas. Right, see? This would be the outer rim is almost like Saturn, kind of, but it's indicative of an innard, and then this is indicative of an outward. But it's a number 5, symbol 5 for Alexander James 005 is what I call him, since he was born in that symbolic year of century 20 plus 5. By the way, it's also on Me TV. For some reason, this figure wants to put the two of us to sleep and pretend like we don't exist. I don't know why. Operator, I've been cut off. Interesting. I know there's professional league somewhere. I could have used that kind of mentorship my entire life rather than having to figure it out on my own. See on here, it says rules. It doesn't say ruler, it just says rules. And it's blank. Now, this is where it gets weird. Why are Alex and I symbolically getting smacked? And then this figure does a really weird, creepy cartoon move. And it winks at the camera. It's really creepy. That's all, folks. And that's what Looney Tunes is, which is what I feel like humanity has become in the local area.
Next.
And whatever's governing, actually, local area is probably better than what's governing over some of the other stuff, the more serious stuff. By this allowance of my genetic to be literally distorted in such a weight class, and for the burning and the tearing of the flesh as it walks through in some peaceful scenery. But the science is what's really dangerous, of what you can't see just beyond your sight around here in Bayside Station, Bayside, New York, 11361.
BTV Nicole's The Andy Griffith Show.
Barney, I'll tell you the truth. You are a bird in this world.
That means you are a unique individual. See if you can decode The Andy Griffith Show. Tonight at 8, 7 Central on BTV.
In here, it's savings on a library.
I've never seen The Andy Griffith Show, and I have not spent my whole life trying to decode whatever came before me. But I'm star 1978, star 8378, Nicole Cattaruzza. It is Earth, solar system, Milky Way, universe, galaxies, broken. Oh, I love you, baby dolly. This is my baby doll, one of my baby dollies. And today is October 11th, 2021.